thought we'd give you a preview of the newest project here at the ranch. This is a 1970 Mercedes Unimog. If you've never heard of a Unimog before, it is basically a road-going tractor. These can be everything from expedition vehicles to snow plows, drilling rigs, backhoes, super heavy duty. It's going to be really cool. It's street legal. They're all over Europe. Sorry for the poor photos. The sun's kind of coming down, but just wanted to share this and get your thoughts. One of the things that make Unimogs so special are what's called portal axles. If you notice, the axle does not come in at the center line of the tire. It's because there's two gears there that step the gear ratio down and lift the truck 6 inches from center. Interior is a little Spartan, as a military vehicle would be, but this has a 5.7 liter diesel. How'd you like to figure out how to shift it? And something really exciting, look at the miles, 10,000 miles.